And welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Equity Residential, a leading real estate investment trust focused on high-quality apartment properties. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Equity Residential has just released their Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their strong cash flow growth to their strategic market moves.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Equity Residential reported a net revenue of $782.4 million for Q3 2025. Their earnings per share doubled year over year to $0.76. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
The revenue growth is impressive, driven by strong performance in key markets like San Francisco and New York. The EPS doubling is significant, reflecting higher property sale gains and efficient cost management. The funds from operations, FFO per share, increased to $1.05, and the normalized FFO per share rose to 1, indicating solid operational performance.
Market performance and strategic moves. Equity Residential achieved the highest third-quarter resident retention rate in its history. They also repurchased $99.1 million worth of shares and made strategic property transactions. Can you elaborate on these moves?
Absolutely. The high retention rate underscores their strong customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. The share buyback reflects confidence in their financial health and commitment to returning value to shareholders. The acquisition in Arlington, TX, and the sale of properties in Boston and Arlington, VA, are strategic moves to optimize their portfolio and focus on high-growth markets.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, Equity Residential has revised its full-year guidance. What should investors take away from this?
The revised EPS guidance reflects a cautious outlook due to lower expected property sale gains. However, the FFO and NFFO guidance remains strong, indicating stable core operations. CEO Mark Parrell highlighted the favorable market conditions, particularly in coastal areas, due to low housing supply and strong demand, which bodes well for future growth.
EPS forecast discussion. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.02 for this quarter, and Equity Residential met these expectations. How does this align with market sentiment?
Meeting the EPS forecast is a positive sign, especially in a volatile market. It shows that Equity Residential is effectively managing its operations and aligning with market expectations. With 10 analysts covering the stock, this consistency helps build investor confidence.
Key takeaways. In summary, Equity Residential has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with significant growth in earnings and strategic market moves. Their focus on high-demand urban centers and efficient operations positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Equity Residential's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Equity Residential's performance in the comments below.